Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a clean and undecorate with me. We'll be taking down all of my Valentine's Day decor and prepping for spring because my very next video is going to be a spring decorate with me. I'm so excited. We're kicking it off with my guest bedroom, a complete makeover. And also coming up is my living room makeover where we're doing the feature wall, God willing. We're doing a shiplap wall, going all out in there. Finally, we just moved in about a year and a half ago if you're new here, and we've been going room by room to kind of make this house a home. But before we go any further, I did want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company in New York, which makes me love them even more, that sell high quality pieces at affordable prices. Their prices start at just $39, so super affordable, and they're carbon neutral. They're also gold plated, so I collaborated with them before and I actually got earrings, and the fact that they're gold plated just makes me happy because I'm actually able to wear them. They are the only earrings that I'm able to wear because every other earrings that you can get on the more affordable side that are sterling silver or whatever the case irritate my ears. I have very sensitive ears. I'm allergic to basically everything. So I love that their jewelry is gold plated. I got their Rowena bracelet and necklace set, which I'm planning to wear on my vacation in a couple months to Florida because I just think it's perfect because it'll be like spring, almost summer at that time. And then I also got their mariposa bracelet and necklace set, which basically just means butterfly in Spanish. So dainty and so beautiful. I'm actually gifting this to my mother-in-law for her birthday, which is the 18th, so it had already passed by the time you guys are seeing this video, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. I love this one. Super dainty, super feminine, and again, just very high quality and unique. I love Ana Luisa jewelry, not just because I'm partnering with them today. I honestly and truly love their jewelry. So affordable, so unique, and good quality. So they are having a buy one get one 50% off President's Day sale until the 23rd, or you can use my link to get 20% off the entire website. So if you're interested in some Ana Luisa jewelry, some high quality, carbon neutral, unique, beautiful, dainty jewelry, then check out all that information in my description. It makes a great gift idea if you have any birthdays coming up or Mother's Day or whatever the case is. So I'll leave all the details down in my description. Thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Alright you guys, now back to the video. I'm just emptying out my dishwasher first. I don't know about you guys, but I can literally have a dishwasher full of clean dishes for days. It's just out of sight, out of mind. So I'm doing that so I can put whatever dishes I have dirty in there, and then I can go ahead and take down all my Valentine's Day decor and then clean up all of my surfaces. I'm deep cleaning the floors. I'm going all out so that when I put my spring decor, I have a nice clean slate. I was kind of sad to take down all my Valentine's Day decor, but kind of happy at the same time because I decorated for Valentine's Day right after Christmas, as you guys know, and Christmas is a lot. And once you take down Christmas, you just like the uncluttered feeling. But because I decorate for Valentine's Day, and a big part of that is for you guys, and to just give you guys some motivation and some decorating ideas, Valentine's Day can get a little overwhelming as well because it has a lot of color. So Christmas is red, and then Valentine's Day I do pink, and now for spring everything is going back to neutral, and that's gonna kind of play out into summer all the way until probably fall, and then you'll get the burnt oranges, and then Christmas you'll get the reds again. So all that. So I'm kind of excited for this little transition to the neutrals, so that for a while my house can breathe and I can kind of work on my style again, like my normal style, not my seasonal decorating styles, like my normal day-to-day style. So I'm excited for that. And again, I have a lot coming for you guys. I'm like picking up this whole new style. I'm still in love with modern farmhouse, but I'm starting to like transitional as well. So I'm doing a mixture of those. So I have a makeover. The very next video, God willing, is going to be the guest bedroom makeover, and I'm going all out. New lamps, new decor. I'm just trying to make it feel nice and homey, so when people come stay over, they feel welcomed. And then that's kind of gonna be like my practice to play around with the style that I want to go for in the rest of the house. So the guest room is, I can just close the door and we don't get many guests anyways, so I can kind of like play around in there with style to test out for the rest of the house, if you get what I'm saying. So after that, we're probably gonna do the kitchen. I did get 2 new chairs, which you guys will see still has the tags on them later, but I did pick up 2 new chairs. I'm gonna get a new rug. We're just changing a lot. And then of course the living room makeover. So that whole first floor is getting kind of a revamp. The whole house really, except for my master bedroom and my daughter's bedroom. So I'm so excited for what's coming up for this spring and summer, and I hope you guys stay tuned. But now I'm just gonna finish packing up everything and putting it to the back door so my husband could take it to the garage, and then we're gonna clean up, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I'll be writing so love for life, so love for life, so love for life, so love for life. I can see the way that you are watching me, but please do not bother to come up here. I'm just dancing with my girls, yeah. So really quick, I'm curious. I know whenever you guys see me change the trash or do something like packing away these bins, you guys always see me leave it at the back door. That's what I do, and I leave them for my husband. I do not go take out the trash, and I do not go in the garage. So anything that I pack away to put in the garage, or if I change the garbage myself, which is usually my husband's job, but sometimes it's full and I'll just do it, I'll leave it at the back door for him to take out. And I just find it so funny because whenever he opens the back door, he has a little surprise for him, whether it be garbage or bins or any of that sort. So let me know down below if you guys do the same thing, or if you actually go outside to take out the trash.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright.
So these are the chairs I was talking about, the 2 at either end of my dining table. You can still see the tags on them. I actually picked those up from Home Goods. They sold out so quick. There was a few on the sales floor, And I put this on my Instagram. If you follow me there, you know everything before YouTube does. So I'll leave my handle here and you guys can follow me if you want to see more day-to-day updates. But I basically went in to return some stuff that I didn't use for Valentine's Day, and I wasn't supposed to spend money, but I saw these and they were $149 each, and they're actually a Crate and Barrel dupe, and their chairs are like $400 to $500. So when I seen these, I couldn't believe it. It's exactly the style that I wanted for the end of my dining table. I had those black chairs. Those chairs are from IKEA, and so is the dining table, but I always envisioned two end chairs, but like fabric end chairs. Like I didn't want them to be the same style as the black ones. I didn't want them to be all wooden. I knew I wanted fabric end chairs. So when I seen these, I had to pick them up. It's so funny because I came home with two chairs and I'm like, babe, can you help me? He's like, with what? And I brought in two chairs and he actually closed the door on my face. He was like, you playing around, you guys, not serious, but he closed the door on my face and I had to knock again. And then he was like, didn't you go to return things? Like, how you come back with more stuff? That was the most impulsive thing I ever did in my life in terms of like decor. I'm super cheap when it comes to decor and spending money on my home. But yeah, when I seen these, I knew I had to get them because I knew I wouldn't find these chairs anywhere else for $149. So that's part of the little dining room makeover that I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be adding a rug. I've been debating on adding a rug, but I just feel like I didn't want to do the extra work of cleaning another rug. But yeah, I'm going to end up doing it because I just feel like the dining room just looks random and it's not finished until a rug is defining the space, because I have an open concept home. So that's coming up soon, but now I'm just going to be mopping the floors to end this video. Again, I'm using Fabuloso, the antibacterial one. A lot of you guys commented on one of my previous videos talking about the recall. This one is not recalled. None of their antibacterial products are on the recall, so they're a-okay to use, so don't worry about that. But yeah, I'm just giving my floors a deep clean. I also added a dish pod in there. My floors have been so dirty lately. I don't know what's going on. I think it's my dog. When he goes out to pee in the backyard, he just brings in so much debris and dirt, and it's been raining a lot. And yeah, so I've been giving my floors a deep clean, and I love picking up my chairs and just getting every crack and corner. Even when I was vacuuming, you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I put the smaller attachment because I feel like the vacuum doesn't get like the edges, like it just pushes it there, and then crumbs stay at the edges of like the wall and stuff like that. So I put on the smaller vacuum attachment and I make sure I get everything when I'm doing a deep clean. But yeah, we're gonna end off this video with that, and I hope you guys enjoy. I know this is short, but I promise you that longer videos are coming. I'm working on it, and decor videos are coming back. So if this happens to be your first video here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of that exciting stuff coming. And if you're a regular here, thank you for watching again, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss next week's video and every one after that. And make sure to click that link in the description box for Ana Luisa. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing, as always.
Tell me how you feel about